Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we need to change dy over dx. Number one, I will put on the right. Next, e to the power of y minus 1 will put on the left, dx and s will put on the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to multiply by e to the power of y on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of y. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to e to the power of y dy. This one we change by u, this one we change by u, this one we change by du. So I will put du in here. Next, I will put the negative in here and another negative in here. Because negative with negative, you got positive number 1. Next, I will put u in here. That means we need to minus about u. U minus 1 divided by u minus 1, we have number 1. U divided by u, we have number 1. So we have 1 over u minus 1 over u minus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 1 over u, we have ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u minus 1. And then I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So this one we have y ln e. ln e we have number 1. Now we return back to this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. So the integration of ln s, ds over s, we have ln of the absolute value of s. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.